Hello guys, today we're going to be doing a bike check of my mom's Kona big honzo. Let's get straight to it. It's got WTB scraper rims with Shimano Dior hubs with SRAM. We're starting from the back, go to the front. It's got Shimano XT 2-piston brakes. It's got NX drivetrain, 11-speed, nothing special about it. Avid dropper with an ergon saddle. It goes higher than that, but the tree stopped it. We literally just got this saddle. It's a women's saddle, but it looks good. Some stupid mud guard. Looks kind of ugly, but whatever. My mom likes. My old green pedal Pike Select Plus, again WTB scraper rims, 2.8 inch tire, Recon Pluses, and front and rear. Dior XT brakes. I love these things. These are 2-piston, but I like the 4 ones. I have SLXs, but yeah, I think it's a really good deal for what you're getting. And yeah, that's the bike.